Now paper number 96 Ssc Cgl. Now in this question number 1, it is based on analysis. Now tell me what is your answer here? VOM JLF. VOM JLF, and it is written as FOJ MLV. FOJ MLV. That means if you give the numbering to these elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then what are the letters we have? 6, 2, 4. Next one 3, 5, 1. Clear, irrespective of the place values of them, and they were written in this way. And similarly, what is the code to the word cavity? CAVITY cavity. Now in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, if you write like this, then tell me what is the and 6. What is the order we have? 6, 2, 4, 3, 5, 1. Now sixth element is what? Y, and second element is A, and fourth element is I, and third element is V, and fifth element is T, and the first one is YAIVTC. YAIVTC choice for question number 1. Clear? Then next one, question number 2. Now in the second one, now it is based on coding and decoding. Now which are the following reference of the way? Now of the way, we need to find out the code for this one, of the way. Then of the and way. Now in this one, way is the word that is common, isn't it? Now between these two, way and to are the words that are common, isn't it? And here again, not to is common, and to is common in all these. And what is the code that is common? Ma code emundi cheppandi mooditlo NA, LI and NALI, YALA. Now LA is common in all these. Hence LA is the code to the word to. Hence what is the code for way? And the code for way is my way came over. Now FA. The code to the word way is FA. Now FA is the code here. Then these two are ruled out. Now we are left with the remaining two. Then between these two, LU and A we need to find of and the. Then of and the. Then what is the code for of and the? Now of is common between the third and the fourth. And which is common between these two, third and the fourth? Now third and the fourth, NA is common. And the code for this one, NA. Isn't it? Hence NA. Then what is the other thing here? Now KA cannot be the code. Isn't it? Now in this one, of cell, now the is not there here. As the is not there, KA cannot be at this place. And what is your answer? Choice 1 is answer. The next one, question number 3. Now in this question number 3, peso and Chile. What is the relation between these two? The currency of this Chile is peso, and similarly ringgit is the currency of Malaysia. Malaysia, that is choice 3. Then fourth one, A at the rate of and B, and which of the following options ensure P is the mother of Q? P is the mother means, now in the first one, in all the cases he is discussing in the reverse order. Now B is the wife of A, and B is the son of A, B is the brother of A. B has Q means, now finally we need to have P is the mother. As P is the mother here, now Q's gender is known, and Q is what? Hash stands for Q is the son of P. But where the gender of P is not known. Clear? Maybe male or a female. And choice 1 is ruled out. Then coming to the second one, $S. Dollar stands for S is the brother of R. Now R and S is the brother of R. S at the rate of P. And P is the wife of S. Now P is the wife of S. P is a female. And P has Q. As Q means Q is the son of. And Q is the son. Now with the help of this one, P is the mother of Q. Are you getting the answer or not? And so choice 2, question number 4. Then fifth one. Now in question number 5. Then tell me what is the difference between these two. Japan answer Japan fifth one. Now here the difference between 78 and 92 is so much? 14. Next difference is so much? 28. Next one 14. Next is 28. Again 14. And 62 plus 14, 176, choice 3, question number 5. Then sixth one, it is based on data series. Now N and R. N and R difference is how much? Plus 4. R plus 4 is V. Now first letter V, that is choice 1, question number 6. Then seventh one. Now in the seventh we need to find out the odd one out here. V, S, O and G. V and S the difference is minus 3. S and O and 19 and 15 the difference is minus 4. And here it is minus 5. Minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. And similarly here minus 3. Again check out the first one, minus 3. Here it is minus 3. Then O and K, what is the difference we have? O and K it is minus 4. And K and G, it is minus 5. Minus 4. Maker zone it is minus 5 and it is minus 5. What is the order we have? And choice 4 is the odd one. Here the difference is 3, 4, 5 rather than 3, 4 and 5. Then answer choice 4, question number 7. Then eighth one. Now in this question number 8 we need to find out the sequence here. Now here H written thrice and C also written thrice and Z is written thrice. And in the next one H is written twice, C written twice and Z written twice. Now in the first case H, C and Z, each of these letters written exactly once. H written once, C, Z and H, H, C, C, Z, Z. H, 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 C, 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 Z, Z, Z. Then tell me what is the element that is missing out here? Z, C, C, Z, H, C, Z. That is choice 3, question number 8. The next one, ninth one. Now exempt. EXE MPD. And the code given to the word exempt is FYFUQN. FYFUQN. And in the same way, how will the word expire coded? EXPIRE. Now in this case, E and F. E and F, what is the difference we have? E and F, the difference is plus 1. X and Y plus 1. Isn't it? Now plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 are E plus 1 F, X plus 1 Y and E plus 1 F. In either way you will get the same. M plus 1 is N, P plus 1 and P plus 1. And similarly here the word is divided into two halves. E plus 1 F, X, Y and P, Q. And Q, Y, F. And I plus 1 is J, R, S, F. And what is your answer? Q, Y, F, F, C, J. And that is given in my choice upon academy. Now, and it is given in choice 4. Q, Y, F, F, S, J. Choice 4, question number 9. Then coming to the 10th one. Now 10th one, tell me how many triangles are there in this. Now in this one, now 1, 2 and this is 3. Must have been there. And all together how many are there? Now 3 are there. Then 1, 2 and this is 3. And next one, and this one if you take 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and the main is 3. 3 plus 3, 9. Clear? And again coming to this one. 3 plus 3, 6. 1, 2 and this is another. 9. Hence these 3, here there are 3 and to this one there are 3 and here there are 3, 9. Then next one 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 plus 4, 13. Then and after this one 13 and this is 1, isn't it? And this is the other. Are you getting this one or not? Total how many are there? 15. Now 15, that is choice 3, question number 10. And 11th one, frame ranks 18 from the top and 47 from the bottom. Same person we are counting in from both the sides. And sum of these two minus 1. 18 plus 47, 65. Minus 1, 64, choice 2. 11th one. Then 12th one, there are some 7 persons. They are seated in a row facing towards north. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And B sits out to the left of E. Now B is seated out to the left of E. Only D is adjacent to G. Only D is adjacent to G. Isn't it? And G who is not at the extreme left hand. And G cannot be the extreme left hand. Then G must be at the extreme right. And only D is adjacent to G. G pakkana okare undali. That means G must be at the corner. If G is at the corner and G is not at the extreme and D is here, then if D is here and A sits immediate left of F and A is to the immediate left of F, C and E are not adjacent to each other. Now in this case, what are the different possibilities we have? Now we can start with this B. B blank blank and E will be here. Now if E is here, A and F must be like this, and if A and F is here, C will be here. Then C and E are not adjacent to each other. It is valid or not? And so sits to the immediate left of A, B. Choice 1, question number 12. Clear? The next one, 13th one. Some stones are gems. Now some stones or gems can be written like this, stone and a gem. And some gems are pearls, and some pearls are mollusks. Then some stones are pearls, that is pearls. Some gems are and mollusks, and gem and mollusks no relation, and mollusks are pearls. Mollusk and pearl, that is definitely true. And some mollusks are gems. Mollusk and gem no relation. Hence, what is your answer? Only 3. Only 3, choice 3, question number 13. Then, my next one coming to question number 14. Now tell me how many of you have done this one? Is there anyone who has done this? Now 14th one. Now 34, 72, and the number is how much? 125. Then, now in the first one, 3 into 4 is how much? 12. And 12 is written as here. And 7 minus 2 is how much? 5. Clear product of the digits in the first number 3 into 4 and difference between the digits in the second number. Now in the same way, 3 into 3, how much is this? 9 Raval. Here it is 13, that is ruled out. 4 into 4, 16. 8 minus 3, 5. 4 into 4, 16. 8 minus 3, 5. And that is choice 2, question number 14. Next one, 5th one. Now 5th Jesara. Yes, how many of you had done this one? Question number 5. Now 16. Now this 16 can be written as 2 into 2 cube. Right, 2 into 2 cube. And 108. 4 into 3 cube. 27 into 4. 108. Now this one. And 6 into 8 cube. What is 8 cube? 64. And 360 plus 24 and 384. And 2, 4, 6. Next one is 8 into 5 cube. 125. And next one. 10 into how much? 10 into 6 cube. And 6 cube is how much? 216. Now 2160, choice 1, question number 15. Then each of these numbers is multiplied with even numbers and the cubes are written. 2 into 2 cube, 4 into 3 cube, 6 into 8 cube, and 8 into 5 cube, and 6 into 4 cube, 8 into 5 cube, and 10 into 6 cube. And that is 2160, choice 1, question number 15. The next one, 16th one. Now in the 16 we need to find out among the 4 alternate how the pattern would appear when the transparent sheet is folded at the dotted line. Now if it is folded at the dotted line, now these two are of the same height and at the same position, hence choice 1 is on. Isn't it? Now choice 2 approach. Now if the figure is like this, ila unta appudu choice 2. Then when both these two are combined, then it would be choice. Isn't it? And choice 3 approach the positions maral. Ikkada raval, idi ikkada undali. Then it would be choice. Then and 16th one, 17th one. Now in the 17, Rakesh travels 12 kilometers north. And this is the starting point. From here he turns. He travels 12 kilometers north. Then turns left and Laksha. And left hand side and covers 8 kilometers. Then turns right and covers 7 kilometers. And she finally turns right and travels another 8 kilometers. And another 8 kilometers. Then how far is she from the start point of her journey? Now we need to find out the distance between these. What is the distance here? 12 plus 7. How much is that? 19. 19 choice for question number 17. And 18th one. Now in this 18, now it's an odd pair. Mammal. Deer is a mammal and elephant is again a mammal, and now this lizard is a reptile and rodent. Rat is a rodent. Rabbit is not a rodent. Clear? And so choice 4 is the odd one, 18th one. Then 19th one, how many such pairs are there? Now pairs, contrast is the word we have. C-O-N-T-R-A-S-T. Now in this contrast and starting with C, D-E-F-G-H-I-J, O-P-Q-R, O-2-R, and R-2-T. Sorry. and O2R, and next one RSTU, NOPQRS, and T no letter more than this one, RST, and so on. Left to right there is only one, and again in the reverse, no letter more than T and S. A, B, C, D, E, F, R, S, T, isn't it? Then R, S, T. What is the other one we have? A, B, C, D, E, F, N, O. This is one such case. Anything else left over here? O, P, Q, R. S and T, there is one more, isn't it? Hence altogether there are three such pairs. Choice for 19. Then next one, 20th. Now in this question number 20, and choose the correct which is closely resembles the water image. Water image means from top to bottom. Now this B will be like this, isn't it? And R. Now this R will be like this. Onaga and water image. Now tell me what is the answer here. Now P, R, this is ruled out, and this is again ruled out. R, I, next D1, D. Now this D cannot be of this order. And what is your answer? Choice to question number 20. Then 21st, now we need to find out the embedded figure into this. Now the embedded figure into this, now tell me where we have found this embedded figure. Then choice 1 is ruled out, and 2 we cannot able to find, and in 3, now this is of the same size, and in the 4th one this is the figure we are talking about, isn't it? Now in this one, and what is your answer? Choice for 21. Then 22nd, but 22nd, any answer to this one? And 351, 233. Now in this 351 here, the number decreased, here 600, and the number is been increasing. Hence it is mostly based on digits. Now 3 plus 5 plus 1, how much is that? 9. And 2, 3, 3, sum is 8. Now here what is the sum? And 16. And the next sum must be 15. Among the given choices 15, 7 plus 3 plus 5. Here the sum is so much? And 16. Here it is 21. Here it is 16. And choice 1, sum of the digits. 16, 9, 8, 16, 15. 22nd. Then 23rd. Now we need to find out the value of this one. At the rate of stands for addition, and dollar stands for, and dollar is for division, and percentage stands for, and percentage is for multiplication, and a hash stands for, and what is hash? Subtraction. Now here in this one, and 16 into 7. Now first we need to work for this division. 176 divided by 16 means 11. 11 into 7. How much is that? 77. And plus 33. And how much is that? And 77 plus 33, 110. 110 finally minus 111. 110 minus 111, and it is minus 1, choice for 23rd. Then 24th one, now it is based on blood relation. Arjun's father has a son Anurag. Arjun's father has a son Anurag, isn't it? Arjun is here. Now this Arjun's father has a son Anurag. That means Arjun and Anurag are siblings to each other. Arjun's father has a son Anurag. Anurag, who is an aunt Latam. Anurag is having an aunt, that is Latam, maybe paternal aunt or maternal aunt. And Lata is the husband of Ravi. Now this Lata and Ravi are spouses to each other. Then Ravi is the father-in-law of Mohan. Now this Ravi is the father-in-law of whom? Mohan. That means now Ravi's daughter's husband is Mohan. Isn't it Mohan? And how is Mohan related to Arjun? And tell me, how is Mohan related to Arjun here? Ravi. Ravi's father. Then now Arjun's father has a son Anurag. Arjun is here. Now this Arjun is having a father A, and that father is having a son Anurag. Now Arjun's father has a son Anurag. Anurag, who is an aunt Lata. Now Lata is here. Lata is the husband of whom? And Lata is the husband of Ravi. And Lata, who has a husband Ravi. And next one, Ravi, who is father-in-law? Ravi. And Ravi's whose father-in-law is Mohan. and Ravi's father-in-law is Mohan, isn't it? And Ravi's father-in-law is Mohan. And how is Mohan related to Arjun? Arjun's father's father. Grandfather, choice for 24. Then finally 25. By folding the given paper, which of the following boxes can be made? Isn't it? Now can be made in the first one. Now in this one, if you observe here, B and F are opposite. Every alternate elements are always opposite. E and C are opposite. And A and D are opposite. Isn't it? Then out of which here, B and F are adjacent to each other. It cannot happen because they must be opposite. And in the second one, E is there, F is there, D is there. Isn't it? And so none of these are adjacent. Now E and B. And in the second one, E and C are adjacent. They must be opposite, they are adjacent, that is ruled out. And in the fourth one, A and D are adjacent. A and D must be opposite. Hence these three cannot be the cube. Hence the choice is there. Then, now this is about question number 25.